Sven.
Hi, and my name is Rusta.
And we are going to talk about Denmark. Here are some interesting facts about Denmark.
Denmark is one of the oldest states in Europe and the oldest kingdom in the world.
There are 444 named islands in Denmark, 76 of which are inhabited.
The capital of Denmark is Copenhagen.
The flag of Denmark, Dannebrog, is the oldest state flag in the world, still in use by independent nation. It was adopted in 219.
The population of Denmark is more than 5 million people.
Currency is Danish crowns.
Famous places in Denmark.
The Øresund Bridge connecting Denmark and Sweden.
The original Legoland in Billund.
The Little Marriott in Copenhagen.
The Tivoli Park in Copenhagen.
Famous people of Denmark.
Hans Christian Andersen was a Danish author. Andersen is best remembered for his fairy tales. Andersen's fairy tales have been translated into more than 125 languages. Some of his famous fairy tales include The King's Great Clothes, The Little Mermaid, The Snow Queen, The Ugly Duckling, and many more.
Niels Henrik David Bohr was a Danish physicist who discovered the atomic structure and quantum theory, for which he received a Nobel Prize in Physics. Bohr was also a philosopher and a promoter of scientific research.
Margaret II is the Queen of Denmark. She became the first female monarch of Denmark after Margaret I. She is the Queen of Denmark for 44 years, and now she is the second longest reigning Danish monarch after Christian IV. Princess Margaret married a French diplomat, Count Henry de Robert de Montpezat, at the Church of Holmen in Copenhagen.
Vitus Johnson Bering was a Russian cartographer and explorer of Danish origin, and an officer in Russian Navy. He is known as a leader of 2 Russian expeditions: the Bering Strait, the Bering Sea, the Bering Island, the Bering Road Bridge were all named in his honor.
Questions.
Name at least 2 famous people from Denmark. Nella?
Margaret II and Christian Andersen.
Yes.
Name at least 2 famous places of Denmark. Marcus?
Yeah, so the Legoland, the original one, and the bridge that connects Sweden and this country.
Yes.
Yes.
What is the currency of Denmark? Eunice?
Crowns.
Yes.
What is the capital of Denmark? Copenhagen?
Copenhagen.
Yes.
Say at least 1 Danish word.
Tak. Thanks.
Yes. Tak.
Thank you for your attention.